a feast that came down from the sky. Once upon a time, there was a small village on a mountain. One day, when the villagers were working in the field, when they were doing it from the sky, a basket hanging on a long string came down. What came down? Everyone gathered around the basket. If you look inside the basket, there are a lot of alcohol and feasts inside. Thank you for this. The villagers were overjoyed and drank alcohol and ate a feast. And when the basket became empty, it moved again and pulled the basket up to the sky. There are also strange things. I can't believe that a feast is coming down from the sky. I'm sure it's a gift from the God of heaven. That's right, that's right. On that day, the villagers stopped working in the field and had a drinking together. The next day, the villagers who gathered for field work said to each other, "Yesterday's sake and feast were delicious. Oh, hey, it's the first time I've had such a feast in my life. What do you think? Shall I ask you a favor today as well?" That's right, that's right. It's no good, it's originally. So the villagers said to the sky, "Cast, come down. Put in a lot of sake and feast, and come down." Then, when I did it from the top of the sky, a basket hanging on the string came down. If you look inside, there will be alcohol and feasts again this time. Come on, everyone. It's a gift from the God of heaven. Don't hesitate to take it. Today, it became a lively sake platter again. And when the basket was empty, I climbed up to the sky again. The next day, the whole village who heard the story gathered in the field and yelled at the sky, "The basket, come down. Add a lot of feast and come down." Then immediately a basket appeared from the clouds and fell with tremendous momentum. Oh, it's dangerous. Wow, what's up? With a loud sound like a thunder, a big basket fell in front of the villagers. Oh, such a big basket has come down. In this case, even all the villagers can't eat it. God of heaven, today is also a feast. When the villagers were overjoyed and tried to approach the basket, a terrible monster jumped out of the basket one after another. "Who ate our food?" I yelled at him. "Wah! Oh, help me!" The villagers were surprised and ran away in a run. The end.